the Sarpanch is concerned, I feel sad for him. He doesn't know the meaning of the word development. He has not done anything. The basic that he could have done, the most that he could have done, something that had to be done immediately is the Panchayat Ghar. Okay? He was the Sarpanch for 3 years. He did nothing. The only thing he did along with his mentor is lay the foundation stone for the Panchayat Ghar inside the office. Once at Queenie Nagar and once I think at Daboli. Okay? But where is the Panchayat Ghar? Okay? How long are the people going to wait? Finally, the Panchayat had to move away from this building and now they are housed in 2 flats along the road, causing so much traffic problems there. Is this called responsibility? The only thing I think the Sarpanch of Sankwal knows is to hold beauty contests. Miss Kortali and Mr. Kortali. I don't know what this means, Is this development according to his reasoning? Very sad. Very, very sad. Another thing I would like to tell you about the Sarpanch, I challenged the Sarpanch also. What work has he done during his tenure as the Sarpanch? Nothing. Absolutely nothing. I know he's been inaugurating some gutters. I think even those works were done by Ramakant, Borka. Okay? He's the one who moved the files for those works and he's inaugurating them now. What has he done? Nothing. So he's just like his mentor. His mentor was in Kortaling constituency for 20 years, has nothing to show to his credit. And because I have done so many major projects that people can see with their eyes. People are thanking me time and again. And now during the campaign, when I go to meet people, people say, Madam, tum bina ka tu and zaite kela. And that is my reward. Okay? I have worked hard and I'm here to work because when we take up this responsibility of being the MLA of the constituency, it is to ensure that people's needs are met with.
Madam, in the last few years, we have taken up a lot of work, but there are some accusation that, probably you've not done anything. What's something on that?
Yes, I think that makes me laugh, Actually, what they talk gives me enough reason to have a good laugh because either those adults who are talking and, making up stories, they are either, blind or they are total liars. I'm sorry to make this statement because everybody can see the works I have done are there for everyone to see. And people know. Wherever I go, people say, Madam, tu zaite kela. Ani, this ex-MLA of Kortaling constituency, I have challenged him. He has not yet met with my challenge. I challenged him to show one work that he has done during his tenure of 20 years. Of course, the only white elephant that he had created is the Kala Bhavan, which is now happening and is still going on, and I took up the work. I was refusing to take up the work. You know why? Because Kala Bhavan was started without a parent department. Every project, when it is started, it is done under a parent department. This project had no parent department, and that is why it took us almost 1.5 years to find somebody, and then nobody wanted to take the responsibility.